For this expression, we're going to factor first using GCF, and then second using difference of squares. For the GCF, I notice that I have 3 x's here and an x here, and then I have 16 and 64. I do know that there are numbers that go into 16 and 64. That's how I know I need to do GCF first. Then, with difference of squares, I see that there's 2 terms, and then a subtraction sign. So, I will check to see if I have to do difference of squares after I do GCF. So let's do GCF. I need to find the factors of 16, which are 1 and 16, 2 and 8, and 4 and 4. Then, the factors of 64 are going to be 1 and 64, 2 and 32, 4 and 16, and then 8 and 8. Well, the biggest number that goes into 16 and 64 is going to be 16. Now, for the first term, I have 3 x's, and for the second one, I have 1. So I only get one group of x's. So, it's going to be 16x as my GCF, and then the stuff that's left over is going to be x squared minus 4. Now, I recognize that this middle part here can be factored using difference of squares. So, to do that, I'm going to make my 2 parentheses. To get x squared, I have x times x. To get 4, I have 2 times 2. My signs are plus and minus. But don't forget about that 16x that I factored out before. This is my final answer.